Hi there, this is Victoria from CrushCrypto.com. In this video, I will be talking about a blockchain project called Ankr Network. As always, we are not paid or mandated to do any of our reviews. This is just our personal opinion and analysis for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Please always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Ankr aims to build a resource-efficient blockchain framework that enables distributed cloud computing and provides user-friendly infrastructure for business applications. Its blockchain infrastructure will be based on proof of useful work consensus on an SGX-enabled trusted execution environment. The project's infrastructure has four main features which I will go over in a bit more detail. The first feature is its Proof of Useful Work Consensus protocol, which allows a blockchain to achieve security without wasting energy. This essentially provides an environment to testify miners' useful computations and provide proof for mining rewards. The use of SGX CPU mining also reduces the threshold of entry for miners and ensures security and confidentiality. Unlike other popular proof-of-work blockchains like Bitcoin and Ethereum, Ankr rewards every user for contributing their computing resources and not just the one that first solves the block. Another feature is the distributed cloud computing platform, which allows transacting for computing power between users in a peer-to-peer fashion. With the Proof of Useful Work Consensus mechanism, miners will use their idle computing resources to secure the network while performing various useful computations such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and so on. The miners create the supply for the DCC platform. Individuals and companies that need extra computing resources will form the demand side. DCC lowers the barrier of entry to cloud computing compared to the existing cloud computing services. The third main feature of Ankr Network is its Oracle service. The team plans to introduce an authenticated data feed system using trusted hardware. This system is comprised of three components: the smart contract, the enclave, and the relay. The fourth feature is the multi-chain structure. Ankr aims to scale the blockchain by implementing plasma and sharding. The network will consist of a tree structure of blockchains where various application chains called child chains are connected to a single root chain called the main chain. The main chain is used for child chain indexing, useful work mining, and smart contract executions. Each child chain is tailored to the needs of a specific application. For example, real estate transactions are of high value but low volume, while e-commerce transactions are the other way around. This slide provides an overview of the project's historical milestones and future development roadmap. The idea of the project was conceived in the fourth quarter of 2017. The proof of concept was developed in April of this year. Information on the MVP has not been released yet and should be announced soon by the team. Ankr will be raising funds by issuing ANK tokens in an upcoming crowd sale. The hard cap is around $16 million. Other information, including the conversion rate, whitelist and KYC registration, and crowd sale dates will be provided by the team in due course. For the most up-to-date information on the ICO, please visit Ankr's official website and join their Telegram group. ANK tokens will serve as a storage of value and as a means to transfer value. They also serve as the computation fees for proof of useful work for miners. The more demand for computing power and the more activities that occur on the Ankr platform, the more valuable these tokens should be. Ankr Network is based in California and currently has a team of at least 12 people. The biographies of the key team members are summarized on this slide. The project has several advisors, including the founder of PDX and the founder of Bolt, and various research partners including Blockchain at Berkeley, Dora Hacks, and CPC. Investors of the project include JLab, Neo Global Capital, DHVC, OK Blockchain Capital, Link VC, GBIC, Block VC, and Cosmos. Here are some of our thoughts on the project's opportunities. First of all, the project is very ambitious and is trying to tackle multiple problems facing blockchains today. This includes the consensus protocol, trusted hardware, data feeds, distributed computing, and sidechain structures. If successful, the project and the token could have substantial upside. Proof of useful work is a pretty novel idea that could potentially unlock a massive amount of computing power and put it into productive means. And third, the project has already received support from various reputable institutional investors. As for our concerns, first of all, the project needs to have a number of suppliers and providers of distributed computing using it in order to create a strong network effect. However, no business partnerships or go-to-market strategy has been disclosed by the team yet. The development roadmap also does not go beyond July 2018, which makes it difficult for us to assess the level of planning the team has in terms of major milestones and what they have planned in the long term. The team may provide more information in due course, which could provide more clarity on their development plans and their use of funds from their upcoming token sale. Overall, we have a positive view on this ICO for flipping. The project already has high market awareness, and it has a relatively low hard cap of around $16 million for a blockchain project. Most of the hard cap is contributed by funds, and no syndicates are allowed. As a result, we believe there should be plenty of unmet demand once ANK tokens become tradable. For long-term holding, we have a neutral view. Ankr is a very ambitious project that is trying to solve many problems at the same time. Given the project is still at a very early stage in terms of both the technical and business development side, we currently have a neutral view on the project's long-term viability. However, if the team is able to successfully implement its solution, the potential for this project could be substantial. Thank you very much for watching our video on Ankr Network. Please share your questions or thoughts with us in the comments below. For our latest reviews and market updates, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or follow us on Twitter and Facebook. See you next time and keep on crushing your crypto game.